Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can check your spelling on Google Sheets, and it is super simple. I have some that I misspelled and some other random words in Google Sheets, and I'm just going to select the words, and I'm just going to go to tools and select spelling and select spell check. And as you can see, it'll show the words, like the word that you can change beautiful to, like the incorrect word. So I'm just going to select beautiful. There's only like one option for this word. Then I'm just going to write change. And then as you can see, this one is random, but maybe you can change it to seaside. Maybe this one's a little bit more random than this. I'm just going to select change, and then this is also random. I'm just going to select ignore, change, and change. So some of them, they do like change it, but this one, maybe it's not really of like an incorrect spelling, more like just like weird lemonade, but it does work, but it just works on random words too, I guess. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!